This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up part works that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the part work so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on, and let me know how I'm getting on as well. I'd like feedback of all types. So thank you once more to Fanhome for providing me with this kit. I hope you enjoy the build. Let's get on with it. Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. This is issue 53 of building Eleanor. This time we are continuing with the dash that we've been building before. We've got the metal trim to put into it, some detail parts, some screws to put it together, and some decals and the glass fronts. So first of all, we're going to be putting the decals on. I'm going to use a small pair of tweezers to do that, to get them on neatly and correctly. So that's going on to there. I'll get it the right way around, although it's that small that you're not really going to see it. I'll get the other runs of these on in a moment. Then we're fitting this interior panel to this. That will go on there that way round. On there like so. Then that's going to be fitted onto the front of that. So I'll come back and see you when I've done that bit. Right, so that's all of those stuck onto there. The glass piece goes into the big bit, and then where I thought that was an interior piece, it's not. It's an exterior piece that goes on the outside like that. This then goes onto there, right way round, and finishes it off quite nicely. And there are 3 screws that hold that in place. I should get those done. And then that one goes on the front there, the little badge, and 2 of the other screws hold that in place. So let me just get this partially assembled. It seems that the dashboard on this is not illuminated, which is fair enough. It doesn't have to be. But it looks like it's got other things that are going to activate or do things, so I don't know. Might be more switches to add. That's those 2 going to go down there. So this is the screw that's going to hold that together. If that one even went in, which it didn't. That again. Oh. Right, I shall get this attached behind the scenes. Get that badge in place, and then we'll see what it all looks like. I can't see this in there. There we go. There's that one. Right, I shall get the last of this done. See how it looks when it's finished. So there we go. The little badge is a Gone in 60 Seconds badge. Pretty sure that's not original from the car, but it's nice to have it in there. So that's that. You can see the dials through the material there, and that is that. Another issue completed. Next time, I think we're installing this onto the floor with the pedals and stuff, as well as building ourselves a fire extinguisher. So I shall see you for that very soon. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. Bye bye for now.